This is a spinach chicken curry recipe. First, in a pot, put oil. In the oil, add green cardamoms, cumin seeds, cinnamon, black cardamoms, and cloves. Then add onions. And stir till golden brown. After it's brown, add chicken. Then stir it with the onions. After adding the chicken, fry it for a few minutes. Then add chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, salt, and garam masala powder. Then ginger garlic paste and mix. And cook in low heat for a few minutes. After that, steam the spinach in a separate pot. Grind it into a thick paste. And add it into the chicken gravy. Once you have added it, cover it and cook it on medium flame for 45 minutes.